Hey, what's up guys, it's Easy Crypto here. It's been a while since I made a video, but I wanted to make this video because it's only going to be available for the next 10 days, I believe. February 10th, they're going to close their USD wallet, their Bitcoin wallet. And if you have Bitcoins stuck in SFI coin, this is the time to take it out. I had quite a bit. I had almost 0.2 something Bitcoins in here, and I was just able to take it out. So let me show everybody how to get their coins out. I put way too much in the beginning because I didn't know what the limits were, and so if you're running through the same problem as I was, click on this send button here. It's going to take you to this menu. Paste your Bitcoin address. I don't know what yours is, but paste it and then type in how much you're able to withdraw. And it says you're able to withdraw here. So I'm going to go 00062. 00062. Of course, I didn't have a correct Bitcoin address, but let's just say I did. It'll also tell you if it exceeds. So since I've already taken mine out, I'm just going to show you what to do. Put your Bitcoin address, put in the amount that you're able to take out, and then just click continue. And that should get you your Bitcoins out of SFI coin. I've been waiting patiently for these Bitcoins to come back, so I'm lucky enough to where I just looked at my coin exchange that I sent it to, and it's pending. Pending is good. Pending means it's actually going to go through. So once again, go to your dashboard and you want to click on this send button here and then paste your BT address, put in the amount of Bitcoins you're able to pull out, and then click on continue. Now there might be a section where they're going to ask you for a verification code, and they're going to send it to your email. So I've already verified, and that's why I'm able to get into this portion, but make sure you check your email for the verification code, and then you just click on it and they'll verify that it's you. Alright, hopefully this helps you guys out. SFI coin has been holding my money for a very long time, and I'm so happy that I'm able to finally get it out. I don't know what's going to happen with the amount of money I have in the dashboard. I don't think it's going to do much. It says I have $185 available and I'm lending 100, so you know, so far I've got my Bitcoin out and I'm happy about that. I wouldn't recommend anybody joining SFI coin and putting any money into this program, because locking up my Bitcoins for this long is unacceptable. Alright guys, so hope this video helped you out. Make sure you subscribe and like, and definitely share. Everybody needs to know that SFI coin is only allowing 10 more days for you to take out your Bitcoins. So please share, please like, and share their information. Thank you.